In this video, I'll show you how to make your audio noise cancellation free, more clean and more professional. So first, record your audio or upload it in Audacity, then click some section where are most of the noise, then go to effect, then go to noise removal and hover noise reduction. Now click get noise profile. Now this time select double click or Ctrl A, then go to effect, noise remove, then go to noise reduction. Now click OK. Again go to effect. Now this time go to EQ and filters. Select filter curve EQ. Then click here. After that factory preset, hover here. Now click bass boost. Then apply. Again go to effects here. Now select treble boost, then apply. Again go to effect. Now go to filter curve EQ, factory preset. Now select row roll up for speech. Okay, so again now we have to compressor, hover here and select compressor, then apply. Now we have to finalize our video. Go to effect, click volume and compressor. Now click normalize, then OK. Now your audio will more noise reduction free, more clean and more professional. Now this is the way you can clean your audio and more professional. Thanks for watching.